Hello. 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 Morning. Morning. Okay, so we're back again today. This is a week later. Pulled out all the spacers. I'm glad I left them in for a good week because the tile adhesive was really thick up in that corner. So it's giving me plenty of time to go off. So they're all out. What I've done, I've cut the tiles, cut the trim. So I'm going to go and mix up some adhesive and stick these in place. And mix up some grout and start grouting these tiles. Okay, so we've got some floor adhesive. This is rapid set, which we had left over because we're not going to go out and buy a tub of wall tile adhesive for 3 little tiles, and considering it's like nearly £20 for a tub, it's just not worth it. That's it, we'll leave it at that. Let that go off. It's rapid set anyway, so we'll let that go. Because this joint down here is going to be silicone, no grout in there. Because this is where it's going to flex. So that's it, just leave that alone. So that'll be good. So all we've got to do is a 5-minute break and then mix up some grout and start grouting over this side, this wall, and then by the time we get over to here, these would have gone off. So we'll see you soon. And the cat obviously wants attention, so I might have to shut the door for a minute in case the cat gets in there and starts treading on the tiles. So when we come back, we'll be grouting. So see you in a minute.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight. And now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it.
Okay, so there we go. Tiles are grouted eventually. it's all done. Can't really see it because I think the light's a bit too bright. It turns down a bit. So yeah, it's all grouted all the way around. It's all been cleaned. Still got to touch the wall up with the paint. That's where I rubbed it off. We were washing off the grout. So that's all okay. Boxing's all back in. Looks all nice and tidy now. Shelves done. This has still got to be. This is going to be sealed with silicone. So it goes with the. So it don't crack basically. So that's going to be done with silicone, and silicone around the edge of the bath. I'm going to do that next week and let all this dry out first, and then we've got to put the shower, drill a hole in the tiles as a shower. What else to do? We put the door tread down. That's been fixed down. It's masking tape holding it down. Just little touch-ups really. Bit of decorating. Got to change that fan for a humidity stat fan. So that's all good. So we'll see. Well, it'll be next week for me. Probably about 2 seconds for you, and then we'll come back. See you then. Cheers.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.
Okay, so we're going to start getting this ready for grouting. I've just cleaned out all the edges. What I normally do is fill the bath up with water so it sinks, and then once it's gone off, then you can release the water out of it. So that's what I do anyway.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love
It's a waste, but it's what you have to do.
me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backward, yeah. Time's about now to use those big words, yeah.
Oh, look what you've done.
I don't need comments and
Oh, you lost the tissue now.
Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? Yeah. Yeah.
So all I've got to do is obviously let this go off. I'm not screwing it to the wall, and I'm not fixing it to the floor because I don't know what's under there, whether there's any pipes or whatever. The only thing I've got to do is rub down the skirting boards, and like what she's doing now, and they'll be ready for a coat of paint. I think I'm going to have to chat to my daughter's other half because he likes it in white, but I think it's too much, and so does she really. So I'm going to try and talk to him to put a bit of colour in here because it's, as you can see, it's all white. It's white bath, you know, white sink, white toilet, grey floor. But they've got a grey unit, or I think they've got a grey mirror thing coming. Cabinet and some wall shelves, but I do think it needs a bit of colour in here. We'll bring you back when we get the cabinets, because I think she wants me to put them up, the shelves and all that sort of stuff. So I didn't put the light on, good lad. Yeah, considering what it was like with all the boxing in and all the horrors that are behind it. It's alright doing boxing in the toilets and, you know, showers. If you box it in, as long as you can get to the back of it.
Easy access.
Because you won't know if it's leaking until it's too late. And this was too late, because it was a lot worse when we took it out. With all the rotten timbers, the toilet was actually leaking as well, around the waste and the flusher. So yeah, it's not good. But you know, this has been, when did we start this?
End of October.
Yeah, so you know, it's only been a couple of videos, like 10 minutes, 30 minutes of video, but it's actually been going since October last year, because I can only do you know, the odd Saturday, and you know, when they're not busy, because I can't sort of like do it on my own. They've done a lot of the work themselves, you know, getting all the old stuff out, all the boxing that was here, ripping up the tiles, and all that sort of stuff. And so it's a little bit easier for me, but you know, consider I used to do this stuff anyway for a living, but I can't do it anymore. So you know, although I say, oh yeah, I'm around here for a Saturday, it's only for a few hours, you know. So anyway, that's enough of me giving you a sob story. We'll bring you back when we get some more bits, and hopefully we can paint these walls a different colour. But I say I'm going to have to chat with him. So we'll see you soon. It's going to be another couple of weeks. We'll see you then.